Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a drop-down menu on Squarespace. I'll be working in the Squarespace dashboard for this. First, click on Pages in the left sidebar of your dashboard. The Pages panel will open on the right, showing your site's page structure with main navigation at the top. This is where you'll manage your entire navigation setup. Next, look for the plus icon sitting right next to main navigation. Click that. A pop-up menu will appear, showing you all the different page types and elements you can add. In that pop-up, scroll down to the bottom where you'll see a section called More. Click on Drop-Down. Once you do, an empty drop-down will appear in your Pages panel, ready for you to set up. Now you'll need to name your drop-down, type in whatever makes sense for your site. Common ones are Services, About, Portfolio, or Shop. The name you enter here is what visitors will see in your navigation bar. Just remember that drop-downs themselves aren't actual pages, so they can't hold content directly. They're purely containers for grouping other pages together. To add pages to your dropdown, you've got two ways to do it. You can grab existing pages from your Pages panel and drag them into the dropdown, or you can click the plus button that appears below the dropdown to create brand new pages inside it. When you drag a page in, watch for it to slide slightly to the right. That visual shift tells you it's been nested correctly under the dropdown. If you want to change the order of pages inside your dropdown, just drag and drop them within that folder. The page sitting at the top of the list will be the first option visitors see when they open the dropdown menu, so put your most important pages up top. You can also reposition where the dropdown itself sits in your main navigation. Grab the entire dropdown folder and drag it up or down within the main navigation section. Where it sits in the Pages panel controls its left to right order in your site's header. Move it to the left by dragging it up, or to the right by dragging it down. Once everything's arranged how you want it, the dropdown will appear live on your site. On desktop, it opens when someone hovers over the title. On mobile, it stays collapsed until someone taps it. Test it on both to make sure it's working the way you expect. If you need to rename the dropdown later, just click the gear icon next to it in the Pages panel that opens the settings, where you can update the page title, navigation title, and URL slug all at once. And there we go, dropdown menu done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.